I'll double check it. Here's your thing. Let's see who's tomorrow.
There we go.
Tomorrow's Friday. Noah's at 10 o'clock at night. And Will, yours is Friday. That's tomorrow.
What time?
1:45. Oh, wait a minute. That's too early. Darn it. I thought it was later. I thought it was 5. No, I'm sorry. Friday the 7th. Yeah, usually it's at 5:50. 5:50. See that?
So you have to be there earlier than we thought.
Not at all.
Oh.
Get him off at the airport at 4:50.
So we have to leave the aquarium at like 3.
4. Because it's right down the road. But with traffic on a Friday, yeah, you're right.
3:30.
3:30, yeah.
Just go ahead and remember 3:30 now so you don't forget.
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it good? Can you want more bite? Can I have a bite?
Yeah.
And Will, you got a layover in Atlanta from...
Well, I told him I wasn't leaving until Sunday. So
That's not true. It's always been
I
Friday.
know it was.
Your mom knows that. Doesn't she?
Hmm?
What did she have on her records?
I just was mistaken. I was just mistaken.
Can you call her and let her know? Tomorrow, you get in tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Just call her as soon as possible, okay? So she can change her plans.
You're losing it.
We'll have fun tomorrow. Wait, are you leaving tomorrow also, Lisa?
No, then it's the next day. Next morning.
Don't choke on Rita's.
You went to Rita's. Not today.
It's so good though.
Anybody like pistachios?
I'm okay.
Just some here if you like them.